Hello everyone, this is Joe with G.I. Joe's R&R. This is the second in a three-part series about what additional products are necessary to use the Mach 1.7 CO2 cartridge rocket. This video is about the pipe. Of course the other one's longer, but just for presentation purposes I'm using this one. So the pipe that the rocket and the nail holder is designed around is a Schedule 40 PVC pipe, a 1.5 inch Schedule 40 pipe. And this particular pipe is manufactured by Charlotte Pipe in the US, and its equivalent can be found wherever pipes are sold at your local hardware store. If they sell pipes, they're probably selling Schedule 40 PVC pipes. So let's see, the inner diameter is the critical dimension for this pipe. So you already have one around your house. You just want to make sure before you go and download the STL file for this or buy it, you want to make sure that it'll fit. So the inner diameter of this guy is about, it's not actually 1.5 inches, surprisingly. It's about 1.71, but that can vary to like 1.73 even within the same pipe. So and then, oh sorry, if you guys, everyone else in the rest of the world using metric, that's going to be about 43.5, 44 millimeters. So, however, the dimension changes from pipe to pipe, even within the same manufacturer and with the same material and the same schedule. You know, Schedule 40. There will be some tolerance changes. The rocket, depending on the pipe, may be a little looser, a little tighter. So if it's too loose in the pipe, things should be fine, but if it's too tight, you may need to sand down the fins on the rocket. What you do is you get a piece of fine sandpaper and you just kind of go like that with it on your finger and take a little bit off the edge. If you are having to do that, then let me know. I can easily change the diameter of the pipe. You just send me that inner diameter measurement and I can change the design for you and send you that STL. This also applies, same idea applies to people not in the US where, you know, pipe sizes would be in metric. So if you have a 40 millimeter pipe or 50 millimeter, then I can easily modify my design to accommodate that pipe size. So if you're wanting it, just let me know. All I would need from you is just to measure that inner diameter with a pair of calipers, or you can Google it, and or the outer diameter, or I would need the inner diameter and the outer diameter of whatever pipe you've chosen. Quick side note, if you want to increase the how far the rocket goes, the best way to do that is to put some oil or grease on the inside of the pipe. I use silicone oil, and that's worked really well. So, also, different side note, I want to let you guys know that I plan on developing a rocket launcher in the future. That way, no pipe purchase is required. So if you're not super interested right now, but if this thing had its own little rocket launcher that you could print out with it, and you'd be interested in that, then subscribe, wait, because at some point in the future I will be developing that. This would eliminate any tolerancing issues, because then you're just printing exactly, you know, it's made for this, and you'd just be printing it at home or ordering it online whenever that's available. It's not currently available yet, sorry. If you wanna follow the work that G.I. Joe's does, then subscribe and also like the video if you liked the video.